Porsche just dropped a stealthy new version of the Taycan. It's electric, it's deadly silent, and it's about to blow your mind. Before we dive in, a lot of awesome people watch these videos, but forget to smash that like button or subscribe. If you love rare cars, sleek design, hit like and subscribe. It really helps a ton. All right, Porsche's done it again. We already had 5 limited edition 911s this year, but now they're flipping the script, giving the electric Taycan sedan a sinister twist, introducing the Black Edition Taycan. And this isn't just a paint job. We're talking full-on blacked-out performance vibes, gloss black SportDesign body kit, sportier fascia, extended skirts, and a rear diffuser that screams, "Don't mess with me." It looks like Darth Vader ordered a Porsche. Even the mirrors go black, and those are exclusive. You cannot get them on a normal Taycan. Door sills, illuminated, badging, shadowed, even the key is special, marked with Black Edition. But if murdered out isn't your vibe, you can still pick from ice gray, dolomite silver, or volcano gray. No extra charge. Guys, don't forget to like this. It will let me know that you like such in-depth content about cars. Let's get back to this beast. But here's where it gets serious. The Performance Battery Plus is standard, normally a $5,780 add-on. That gives you up to 318 miles of range in the base Taycan, and up to 509 horsepower in the 4S. Yeah, this thing doesn't just look fast, it is fast. You also get 14-way comfort seats, a Bose surround system, 360 view parking assist, interior storage package, and puddle lights. Yep, puddle lights. Because why not flex in your driveway too? Porsche hasn't told us the price yet, but let's be honest. This isn't about price, it's about owning a Taycan that no one else has. Let me know what you think of the Black Edition Taycan in the comments below. Would you spec yours all black or go stealthy silver? And hey, if you made it this far, you're a real one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your car-obsessed friends. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep it electric.